This quick guide explains how to buy shares of Kelso Group Holdings Plc, a company listed on LSE PLC under the ticker KLSO.L. This information is educational and not financial advice. To buy KLSO.L, you will need a broker and will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before buying. Use the platform search and type the ticker KLSO.L to find Kelso Group Holdings Plc. Make sure you select the LSE listing to reach the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm the identity and recent activity. Verify the ticker shows KLSO.L and the exchange LSE PLC before proceeding. To place an order, choose Buy, enter the investment amount, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Once executed, your Kelso position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit their site.